So rice, when it's threatened, it can't run away like you and me. Instead, it uses chemistry to defend itself. I look at the chemistry that rice uses to protect itself from different threats and the different metabolic pathways that rice goes through. Recently, we've been able to identify a new pathway for a new class of defense chemicals within rice, allowing farmers in the field to implement these chemicals to make rice more resilient and provide higher yields to people who need it. The opportunity to research such an agriculturally important crop is very valuable to me. I come from a farm background in eastern Iowa, so the chance to work on rice, which is a staple food for billions of people, has been very valuable and important. The goal of this project was to identify the gene within rice, see where it was, and see how we can use it to better defend rice. We're able to show that the gene within rice produced milterdine, which then went on to form a new class of antifungal compounds. We were able to show that this gene was present in some strains of rice and not others. And now we're working from there to see, is there more variation within the rice genome, and how can we use that to better defend rice and allow it to protect itself against threats that it might not have the defense for. I knew I wanted to get involved in research right away. I like the hands-on work, and that's how I learn best. I first learned about our lab through a now graduated senior who performed a research talk aimed towards undergraduates. I was able to understand at least a little bit of it. I thought it was interesting. I went and talked to Professor Peters. He said there was a spot. I was able to get in, and I've been learning little by little by little and conducting my research ever since. The favorite part of this project for me is knowing that it has an impact on such an agriculturally significant crop. Rice feeds so many people, and while I've loved working with corn and soybeans on my farm, the chance to work with rice, which we don't see growing in Iowa, to impact so many people is special to me.